How to share a YouTube short on WhatsApp. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to share a YouTube shorts to WhatsApp directly. First thing, go to YouTube. As you can see, I have this short right here. Now if you want to share it, all what you have to do is simple. Just click here on this, as you can see here on the share option. It's down here. Click on it and click now from here on WhatsApp. As you can see, so easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching until the end. See you later and thank you so much.